When I was planning a war game, I came across this island that was south of Cuba. I noticed some strange underwater symmetry that was not natural.
Retired Marine Gunnery Sergeant Butch Diaz has served in Somalia and in Iraq, and his credentials are impeccable.
Okay, to the north is the main island of Cuba. To the west is the Isle of View. And this off to the east of, I think it's right around 3 miles, is this feature here. It looks like two intersecting, to me I thought initially runways.
It is an amazing image, but it could just be a natural geologic feature, or maybe just a coral reef.
I know that coral reefs aren't formed in a straight line, much less two straight lines intersecting to form an X, so this is pretty compelling.
How heavily trafficked is this, by commercial traffic or sea traffic?
I would say local fishermen, and that would pretty much be it, just because it is Cuban waters.
What about naval activity in this area?
Yeah, I would say if there's any, it's probably light, and there again, it would have to be Cuban.
Butch, I mean, you've seen imagery like this from around the world, correct?
Yes.
Have you seen anything else like this anywhere else on the planet?
Not like this, no.
This is two lines intersecting. Have you ever seen a single line?
Single lines? Yes. As a matter of fact, to the south of this image off the map here, there's a few, but you can tell those are actually gullies up underneath the water just because they're a little more shallow, and you can tell they're actually sort of like a runoff.
Is it possible that these are just two gullies that happen to be intersecting?
I would say no.
Okay. Why do you say that?
It looks like these are actually raised above the subsurface floor.
Meaning they're not gullies.
No, they're not.
They're actually convex, elevated
yes.
lines. How long are these lines?
Approximately 1 mile.
Wow.
Now, could you actually insert a diving team in this area without alerting the Cubans?
No, I would not try that or advise it to anyone.